Welcome back to Odin School's YouTube channel. In this series, we will help you crack tech roles at leading companies. Today, we are diving into a role that's the heartbeat of business operations, the MIS executive position at PhonePe. Hey, quick question before we begin. Do you have any cash in your pocket right now? No? Right, thought so. Because let's be honest, whether you're buying groceries, splitting a bill with friends, or even getting a plate of pani puri from your favorite street food, we are all just tapping phones, not wallets. And you know what made that possible in India? It's PhonePe. Yes, PhonePe was one of the first platforms to make digital transactions this easy, this fast, and this accessible across the country. From big malls to street vendors, they changed how India pays. And today, we are going to talk about a role at the very heart of how PhonePe runs, the MIS executive role. PhonePe is hiring for a position of MIS executive, a role that connects the dots between data, business, and decision making. This opportunity is based out in Bangalore. It's a full-time position and it comes with a competitive CTC of up to 7 lakhs per annum. They are looking for professionals with 2 to 3 years of experience who can handle data confidently. Let's take a moment to understand what this role actually means. MIS executive stands for Management Information System Executive. In simple terms, this role is all about collecting business data, organizing it, and turning it into regular reports that help teams and managers make decisions. You are the person who makes sure the right data reaches the right person at the right time. So, first off, you need to be comfortable working with Excel, SQL, and business intelligence tools because that's where most of the action happens. They're looking for someone with strong analytical skills who can look at raw data and actually make sense of it. Attention to detail makes a big deal. Accuracy matters when your reports are driving decisions at scale. You should also have great communication as you will be working with different teams like operations, finance, and tech to collect the right data and make sure it's accurate. And finally, they value a proactive, collaborative mindset. Someone who doesn't wait to be told what to fix but actively finds ways to improve the data flow. So, what you'll be doing is in this role, you will turn data into decisions. You will analyze business data, build reports, and help teams see what the numbers are really saying. You'll also maintain databases, automate dashboards, and work with different teams to make sure the data is always clean, accurate, and also useful. To put it simple, you will be the go to person for turning raw numbers into real business insights. This isn't just a back office job, it plays a big part in how the company runs every day. So, what makes it exciting? You will get to work at India's top fintech brand. You will be part of real business work that actually gets noticed. You will learn from different teams across different areas and you will grow in a fast, tech driven environment. Oh, and the salary? You're looking at a solid 6 to 7 lakhs per annum. It's time to get practical. Here are the 5 key tips to make your PhonePe MIS application stand out. So, tip number 1 is master Excel like a data ninja. So, learn how to use pivot tables, conditional formatting, and basic formulas like VLOOKUP and if. Start with simple sales data and try building a report or dashboard that updates automatically. Platforms like YouTube have great beginner to advanced tutorials. But if you are an Odin grad, then you can refer to our recordings in the LMS portal. Tip number 2 would be speak fluent SQL. Practice writing clean queries like select, where, join, group by on free sites like LeetCode, Strata Scratch, or CodeChef. Use sample datasets like customer orders or employee data and write queries that give useful summaries. If you want to brush up your basics of SQL and Power BI quickly, you can check out our SQL Made Easy and Power BI 101 playlist. Links are also available in the description, so do give a check. So here's tip number 3. Think in dashboards, not just reports. Pick up tools like Power BI or Google Data Studio. Start by building a simple sales dashboard or daily report using datasets from Kaggle. Focus on visuals that help users see the insights, not just numbers. Your dashboard is a success when all eyes in the room are on it. So, coming to tip number 4, automate the boring stuff. If you know Excel, start using macros or records tasks you repeat daily. You can also try tools like Google App Scripts to automate sheets. Later, learn a bit of Python to schedule reports or send data updates automatically. Coming to the last but most important thing, know what matters to the business. Pick a company like PhonePe itself and think what kind of reports would help them. Maybe daily transaction volumes, customer churn, or refund rates. So practice making reports that answer real questions, not just show numbers. If you are someone who believes that great decisions start with great data, then this MIS executive role at PhonePe is calling your name. Start preparing smart, and you could be the next Odin grad powering India's fintech engine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because your breakthrough role might just be one video away. Thank you.